So now let's quickly see how this works, how a nebulizer works, especially this AquaSure gel. So they provide a air tube. So one side of this has to be connected over here onto the compressor. There's a compressor, and the other end goes to this chamber wherein the medicine will be added. So something like this. It should be airtight, and this is where you add the medicine. As of now, I'll just show with the water. Apart from that, there is a little knob over here to control the airflow probably, and there is a opening wherein you can insert this cotton. So they provide this cone which has to be inserted inside this. So I've taken one, so you'll have to just place it inside this, and it should be positioned properly. And you can close this. Inside this you can put some water. You'll have to put medicine, but I'll just try with water. And there's a little measurement line, 8 ml, 6 ml, 4 ml. Whatever is prescribed you can put. It should be not greater than 8 ml is what they have given here. And let's close this. The other end goes to the mask, either pediatric mask or the adult mask. So I'll just use this adult mask, and it should be positioned something like this, wherein our nose fits perfectly between this. So, and this elastic band, you can put it around your head. So once this is done, and if you start this, should start seeing some mist coming out of it, kind of a smoke. It will be a little cold. Don't expect something like a steamer, hot air won't be coming out of this. There will be some mist that would be coming. You might have seen somewhere in the humidifier as well. So something like that. So that's how you'll have to place this on your face, and it will start working. And you'll have to put it on your face. It will directly go into your respiratory system, and the medicines will start doing its job. And that's how the medicine will do its job. So this can be used for asthma or cough or even sinus issues. You can make use of this. You can make use of this knob as well to control the airflow. So you'll start seeing the smoke coming out or the mist coming out of this. And that's how it works. So yeah, that's all in the video, guys. Hope this was useful. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. Thank you so much.